Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made these pink ribbon bracelets. Here is the length guide for the heart pink ribbon bracelet. First, fold all the 3 strings in half. Hold the chain string and make 1 lark head knot onto the center of 2 other strings. Hold the chain string on the right and make 6 backward-forward knots. Hold the chain string on the left and make 6 forward-backward knots. Form the initial loop and attach it firmly onto the working surface. Now place both chain strings on each side and place the 4 pink strings in the center. Take the rightmost pink string and make 1 double backward knot onto the left string. Take the leftmost pink string and make 2 double forward knots onto the right strings. The second double forward knot will connect both sides. Take the rightmost pink string and make 1 double forward knot onto the white string. Take the leftmost pink string and make 1 double backward knot onto the white string. Take the white string on the right and make 1 double backward knot onto the left pink string. Take the white string on the left and make 2 double forward knots on pink and white string. Take the rightmost pink string and make one double backward knot onto both pink and white strings. Now take the leftmost pink string and make one double forward knot onto both pink and white strings. Connect the two center pink strings with one double forward knot. Take the pink string on the center left and make two backward forward knots onto pink and white strings. Take the pink string on the center right and make two forward backward knots onto pink and white strings. Separate the two white strings on each side. Take the white string on the left and make four forward backward knots onto two pink strings. Now take the white string on the right and make four backward forward knots onto two pink strings. Now we are back to the start of making the pink ribbon. Repeat these steps until it reaches the desired length. For the second design, make the initial loop the way we made for the first one. Take the center left pink string and make one double forward knot onto the center right pink string to connect both sides. Take the center right string and make one double forward knot onto both pink and black strings. Take the center left string and make one double backward knot onto both pink and black strings. Move the strings inside these knots and place two black strings in the center. Take the left black string and make one double forward knot onto the other black string. Take the left black string and make one backward forward knot onto the pink string on the left. Take the black string on the center right and make one forward backward knot onto the pink string on the right. Take the center left black string and make one double forward knot onto the other black string. Take the rightmost pink string and make one double backward knot onto both pink and black strings. Take the leftmost pink string and make one double forward knot onto both pink and black strings. Connect the two center pink strings with one double forward knot. The rest is the same as the other design. Make two backward forward knots. Make two forward backward knots. Make four forward backward knots. Make four backward forward knots. Now we're back to the start to make the pink ribbon. Repeat these steps until it reaches the desired length. The finishing is the same for both designs. After making the last ribbon, divide the 6 strings into half and make 2 of 3 strand braids. Finish both braids with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.